Sige, sige. Raise your right hand and please repeat after me. Guys, sige na. I, please state your name. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all rules of the games, that I will respect all laws and the decisions of referees and game officials, that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only a second of the love of the game itself.